Hi all, Mrs. Glasson checking in here. I know that we spent last week learning a little bit about renewable and non-renewable types of energy. Today we're going to do an online lab. There is a link on McGraw-Hill, but we also put the link here on Glencoe. So this lab is called Earth Energy and Mineral Resources, and the purpose of this lab is to find out what are the advantage of alternate energy resources, such as solar power, wind, hydroelectric, and things like that. So in the beginning, you'll see there's just a little introduction, and it gives you the definition of energy here, and they talk about non-renewable sources of energy and how they can be used up quite quickly, and then alternative energy sources, and they're also called inexhaustible or renewable energy resources. And that's really kind of what we've been talking about. So if you scroll down on the lab sheet, this beginning is just kind of an introduction for you to refer to if you have any questions. There are 3 pre-lab questions. Number 1 is define energy. And where did we just see that? We just saw that up in the very first sentence. Energy is the ability to do work. And you can expand beyond that if you want. Question 2 are what are non-renewable resources, and give 3 examples. And question 3 are what are alternative energy resources, and give 3 examples. And again, that's the same as saying renewable energy resources. So let me take you to the lab. If you don't understand any directions, you can look here under the procedure section. But I'm going to try to walk you through it a little bit and show you our expectations for you, okay? So here is the Glencoe lab. When you open it up, at the top, you'll see there's a section that says energy sources. You're going to click on that first and choose the type of energy you want to explore first. So on the chart, I selected solar energy for you to start with. So let's go ahead and start there. And now you can see you can choose all these different options under daily precipitation, winds, topography, and they even have beyond that. So what I did is populated the chart for you so you know what to select each time. So the first one, we're going to do solar energy, which I just selected. Sunny, high gusts of winds. There's a small stream, but there's no magma bodies in this area. So I'm going to change this to high gusts. There's a small stream. There's no magma bodies. And this one we're just going to save for the end when we go to biomass. Next, what you're going to do is click generate. And you're going to get a meter here that tells you the expense meter and the energy meter. Notice that they're both on high. I'm going to reset that because of the noise. So here, what was the level of energy produced? It was high. And then what was the expense? It was also high. So just be careful because it looks like I flipped these. Energy is on the right here, but energy is on the left here. Once you do that twice for each type of energy source, you're going to have 5 short journal questions to answer at the end. And it's based on the information that you gathered in this lab. We hope you're able to complete this in a reasonable amount of time. And if you find the work is getting too much or it's not enough, please reach out to us. If you have any questions for Mrs. Borber as well, make sure you're commenting or leaving private comments on your work on Google Classroom or emailing us. We're available every day and we're here to help. And we hope that you're doing well at home. All right. So hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.